Right, I got my, I replaced my servo with another N300, and look at my swash plate. It looks like the elevator is lifting a little higher than the aileron and pitch. So, see the front two look like they're lifting higher, and the back kind of looks like it's not lifting high enough. Now I'm going to put my swash plate leveler on here and double check this, but I wouldn't correct this by using, Mike could use,
then it has this thing that you wear like a Bluetooth.
Use the,
you can film wherever
travel
you're going,
adjust.
Automatically wireless it up to a. And then they
on
have
the elevator to make it go a little faster.
Hey, these glasses go for about $50. Those eyewear glasses for $50 or else. They got them for $20. It's $30 off. Can't beat that.
I'd rather fix it mechanically right.
30 frames per second. But you see what the reason this footage looks so jerky is he's shooting too many frames.
Move my elevator linkage
You want to show it back. You want to shoot
forward a little bit.
No, you don't. That's what makes it look jerky. 60 frames per second is tremendous. Yeah. I know, but that's what makes it look jerky, because when you're shooting action, what makes it, you want to tone it down. They won't be able to tell, man. It'll look better. 60 frames per second is
yeah, back.
one notch.
That should correct it. Back one hole. Kind of looks slanted if you look at it too. It looks like it's cocked inside.
I go on motorcycle rides. I know what they film at. These people have high definition things.
See how it's popping up in the front? Now I like to fix mine mechanically, so let me get on this. Now you see my swash plate that I've moved that linkage, and now all my end points will be the same, 100 and 100. Always fix your stuff mechanically. I think if I'd have tried to travel adjust, that speeds it up and slows it down, but that still doesn't stop the teeter-totter effect. Yup, she's ready to fly. Thanks for watching. Guess who's back? Back again.